Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. iOS 18.7.5 is out, and it's a small update but an important update. The update size is around 450 MBs. The update size depends on which iPhone you are using and which iOS version you are using. Over here, this is the iPhone XS running 18.7.4, and this is why I'm saying this word update size on for 18.7.5. So in this video, I'm going to talk about should you update on this version and what is new with this. So let's begin this. I will keep this video very short and simple because nothing much going on over here. So if you want to install this update, that is quite simple. Get into settings, journal, software update, and over here you will see the update. Make sure beta updates are off and you will see the update over here. If I go and tap on learn more to see what is new with this update, it says this update provides important security fixes and it is recommended for all users. So nothing much going on because it is a double dot update and almost the end of the iOS 18. Nothing much is going on over here. It's a security update, so it is recommended for everyone to install it. If you are still on iOS 18 and wondering should you install this update or not, go and definitely install this update. No. Is there any big thing in this update? Well, no. There's no big changes, no UI changes, no new features, nothing at all. Whatever Apple was supposed to bring out with the iOS 18, other than Siri that announced on WWDC 24, that is already out. So this update is not about anything. So I will suggest you to just go and install this update. I will also install this update right after this video. I will try to bring a 24-hour review video if you guys are interested in the iOS 18.7.5. So if you guys are interested in this update, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I will be making a video. This update came around like 26.3, but whole focus was on the 26.3. So I just skipped the update. I just skipped the videos. But definitely if you are still on iOS 18, it is totally recommended for you to install this update. And if you want to stay on iOS 18, it is important that you have latest security fixes. That would be great to see. So yeah, it is all from this. A very short and simple video. Nothing much crazy over here going on. I like that how Apple is still bringing older updates. Like if I do remember, iOS 17 was stopped around iOS 17.7.2. So I wasn't expecting this much update, but then we saw 18.7.3, 18.7.4 was a surprise to me, and I'm again surprised to see 18.7.5. Now, it is a good thing for the people who are still on the flat design, but yeah, it is something that is out. Also, there is a news that Apple is going to force every iOS developer to stick to floating bottom tab bar with a liquid glass design with the iOS 27. So if there are apps that are not, bringing up the new design, they have to bring the new design with the iOS 27. Just want to share this small thing. Other than that, 18.7.5 is out, recommended for all users. And if you are interested, let me know. I will test this update and share the experience. Well, that's all from this video. Hope to get you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.